Are you willing to fail 99 times to succeed once? That's what you got to ask yourself. Because I heard a story from a gentleman who actually is a billionaire now. And he made a statement like, they praise me now for the one time that I made it, but no one was there for the 99 times I failed. Like, it's okay. I think in life, like, we're gonna go back to the drawing boards. We're going to have stumbling blocks. We're going to get hit with curves. We're going to make bad decisions. All of that stuff happens. But once you start clearing it out, like, be honest with yourself and really focus on what you really want to do, like, you will achieve your goal, especially if it's pure, if it's in your heart and you're really trying to achieve success and you're really trying to achieve it on a level where you are helping someone else and creating other successful stories and other people, and not only being selfish with what you're doing, but also creating wealth in other people's homes and lifestyles too. So I really feel like once you find your mission, it's okay to fail. Like, it's all right. Like, I think that's a big thing that's holding a lot of people back because they are scared to fail. They think that, someone gonna say something. So what? They might say something. Keep doing what you're doing. You're gonna face criticism. You're gonna face haters. You're going to face critics. You're going to face people that's going to judge you that would never attempt to do what you're doing. That's okay. It's been like that. And you're going to face people who think they know you because maybe they grew up with you or from the same neighborhood, or say, oh, that's just so-and-so. They feel like you can't do what you're doing. You know what I mean? So that's okay. But I feel like you're going to have to be able to embrace that. You're going to have to be able to embrace the fact that you're going to fail 99 times to succeed once. And I understand it now. Like, I'm always going back to the drawing board, fine-tuning things, going back over it, figuring out, nah, that ain't going to work. Nah, that ain't going to work. That's cool. Because I think that in order for us to get to the level that we really want to be on, we're going to have to fail. We're going to make mistakes. You know what I mean? But if you don't focus on that and you just focus on what you're trying to do, we can't control the time. Time is something that we can't control, but time is something that we can't waste. You know what I mean? So if we utilize our time correctly, I feel that the doors are open. You know what I mean? We just have to stay focused and really realize what we want and stay on that. You know what I mean? And just make that commitment to know that we're going to fail. And it's okay, because failure is part of your growth. Failure is part of those seasons when it's not time for you to bloom yet. You know what I mean? But you're going to. And it might seem like it's long, but spring always come back around. Hold on.